In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use CRM notes to track objections and pain points effectively. If you've ever struggled with losing track of customer feedback or not knowing where your sales process is breaking down, this guide is for you. Let's dive straight in. First, tracking objections and pain points in your CRM is vital because it gives you the insights you need to refine your sales approach and overcome barriers. When you log customer concerns, you're setting yourself up to create stronger follow-up strategies and improving your overall approach. The first step is to make sure you have a dedicated section in your CRM to track objections. This is a key part of how CRM notes help with tracking these specific pain points. When you're adding a note about a conversation, always include the exact objection or pain point the customer raised. Was it about price, time, not understanding the value? Be specific. Next, it's essential to categorize these objections. Some CRMs allow you to tag notes or categorize them by type, which makes it super easy to look back and analyze patterns. Is there a common theme in the objections you're hearing? Are prospects constantly worried about the same thing? Categorizing will help you identify these trends. Now make sure you're capturing the customer's emotional response to the objection. Did they seem frustrated, hesitant, relieved? Understanding how your prospects feel about their objections is just as important as the objection itself. Recording emotions in CRM notes will give you context for the future, especially when you revisit these clients down the line. A quick tip: whenever you log an objection, make a note of how you responded. This allows you to refine your approach next time. For example, if you had a good response that helped a prospect move past their concern, take note of that too. Over time, you'll build a repertoire of responses that work. It's also crucial to set reminders or follow-up tasks based on these objections. When you add a note, set a task to revisit that particular customer or situation after a set period of time based on the objection they raised. This will ensure you don't let any potential lead slip through the cracks and that you're continuously working to overcome those objections. To make this process smoother, I recommend using the CRM software we'll be using in this tutorial. It's perfect for tracking objections and pain points efficiently, and I've worked with several popular CRM platforms. I can tell you this one stands out, especially when it comes to user friendliness and flexibility. If you want to follow along with this, I've got an exclusive free trial link in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To quickly review, here's what we've covered. Track specific objections and pain points, categorize them to identify patterns, capture emotional responses to get context, log your responses for better follow-up, and set reminders to revisit these objections over time. These strategies will drastically improve how you handle sales objections and provide clearer insights into your customers' pain points. The key takeaway here is that CRM notes aren't just for general information. They're your detailed map to understanding customer pain points and overcoming objections. They're a goldmine for refining your sales process. Don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial for the CRM software in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.